Hey guys, I'm Trey the DIY Ninja, and welcome back to my channel. First things first, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and leave a comment down below of your experience with magnetic lashes, or what you think of them, or what you think of these. Anyways, if you want to know how this lash kit worked out and if it lasted all day, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the lash kit that I bought off Amazon. I believe it's called Eyelash Magnetic Lashes. This is what it looks like on the back, on the side, all sides look like. It just has front and back prints, and it's sealed with a plastic film. And yeah, these are instructions clearly on the back. However, it doesn't talk about whether or not to wait for the liner to dry, how long before you should put your magnetic lashes on, or how long they will last. Okay, this is what the lashes look like. And they look really good. I like the way they look. The band doesn't seem too thick. Comes with a application tool and the magnetic liner. Okay, so the cool thing about this kit that makes it different from others that I've seen on Amazon or even in other places is that it comes with 5 lashes and a application tool to put it on, and the magnetic liner for under $30. I believe it was 25 something, but the prices on Amazon does normally fluctuate. I will put a link down below in the description of where to buy this. Yeah, and the thing about this is that lashes are really good quality. I've tried and attempted many different types, brands of magnetic lashes and magnetic lash eyeliners, and honestly this one is surprisingly amazing so far, as far as I can tell. The only thing about this is that on this lash, one of the magnets in the middle was missing, but it doesn't make a difference, it still works. So normally the band has 5 magnets, this one only had 4, but it worked totally fine. And okay, let me show you what the liner looks like. This is the tip of the liner, and it's super fine and precise. Let me just, you see that you can draw a really thin line to a really thicker line. Well, just like that. But yeah, I really like this formula. It's super smooth, not lumpy, clumpy, sticky, or anything. It does stay slightly tacky after it dries, and I think that really helps hold the magnetic lashes in, but it doesn't transfer once it's dry. So I'm going to, I guess I would let this dry, and then I'll stick a lash on just so you can see. We'll see if it works. So it's been about 30 seconds. I'm going to just swipe it and see if it smudges. Anything? Nope. Oh, this is still a little tacky. This line actually is completely dry, so maybe it just takes a while longer if you put more for it to dry. I'm going to take this lash here off and see if it sticks. Yep. I mean, the line is not precise, but yeah, even on this super thin line, it's totally sticking. And yeah, there's a good amount of magnetism to it. Let's go to this thicker line. See if it's dry. It's still a little bit wet. Still a little sticky, but no transfer. And yep, this is a much stronger hold. Awesome. So this liner really works. Now let's test it on the eyeballs. Hey guys, so today I'm testing out a new magnetic liner eyelash kit, and I'm just gonna pop on this other lash and see if it works. I totally messed up on this liner, so Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm done. I believe this one is messed up, but it feels okay. I think my liner's probably all crazy looking. So let me just look down for you guys. Okay. Yeah, it's like instant glam. Oh, that is a watermelon, baby. Okay, I'm going to wear these all day long and I'll let you know how they last. Okay, so it's been about half an hour, 45 minutes since I put on the lashes. And this side is doing fine, just sometimes like if I look up too much, it's kind of, the liner is still a little bit sticky, or maybe it's just my eyelids, who knows. Yeah, this side I put a little too close, the placement, that's my fault. A little too close to the inner corners, and the lashes like tickle me here, so I keep having to like brush them up and adjust it a little bit. But overall, that magnetic strength and everything is doing really well. So yeah, I'll come back in another hour and see if anything changes. Okay guys, it is, what is it, 2 or 3 hours later. I just ate lunch and the eyelashes are holding on strong. Let me get you a little closer. They're looking real good. They're very comfortable. After I adjusted this one a little bit so the corner and stuff's not poking me, it's awesome. I really like the way these lashes look, and they're lasting. So yeah, I'll check back with you later. Okay, it's another hour or 2 later and I've changed my sweater because baby had a random bloody nose and he came up to me like, uh-oh, my hands are red. Like, oh no. Then he proceeded to wipe it all over my sweater. So yeah, he's currently taking a bath right next to me here. And I just wanted to do a quick eyelash check-in. So I changed my sweater and I pulled it over. I totally forgot I had these lashes on because they're so comfortable. And I accidentally like brushed them and I was like, oh no, I probably ruined them. But I didn't. They're on. Like, these are on here. They're secure and they're great. I'll give you a really close side view here. I mean, to me, they look good. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about these lashes in this lineup. But yeah, okay. On to another check-in. See you guys soon. Hey. Okay. For some reason, he feels like this always has to be on my forehead when I'm laying in the bed. It's so funny. But yeah, eyelashes still going strong. Legit, bro. Legit. Okay, guys. It is, let's see, it's like 6 p.m. and I've had these lashes on for 9 hours straight. Is that crazy or what? I just ate dinner and they are looking good. I'm gonna zoom you in again. You tell me how do they look? They look okay, right? Like, I haven't had any lifting in the inner or outer corners. I just kind of like, I keep touching them just to make sure they're on because they're so light and comfortable. I'm just like not sure. But yeah, they are and they look good. I like them. I like them. So far, this is like blowing my mind how awesome this liner and lash kit is. But yeah, I'm tempted to see if it will last overnight. Like if it will last with me sleeping and tossing turning, because I sleep on like my face. So I don't know. Just give it a try. Thumbs up this video if you want me to wear these lashes overnight to see if it will last. I mean, this is something important. Okay, so it's been another hour, so now it's been officially 10 hours of wearing these magnetic lashes, and for the first time, I got a little lifting here, just on the right hand side. Let's see if you can see that. See? But I can kind of just push it back in, but I can tell that magnetic hold is not very strong compared to this side. It's like this side, if I tug a little bit, like I can pull it off, but it's a lot stronger. But this one, I can just like literally just wisp it off like this. So I'm guessing I did put like a thicker line on this side so I think that's why. And but other than that, I mean, I can stick it back on. And oops, I don't know, maybe it'll work. I think this side's done, guys. So yeah, 10 hours before it started lifting. Actually, I could probably save it. Like if I were out or something, I just press it back in. But yeah, definitely not as secure as before. Yeah, I think we're done. I will do another video on seeing if these last overnight. If you thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I will see how that works. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, ring that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oops, side note. Just wanted to show you the lashes on the band here. So it has the liner. The liner came off with it, and there are actually 5 magnets per lash, which is the most magnets I've seen on a magnetic lash, which is nice because that means if your eye is longer, you can still cut it down, cut off a magnet, and you'll still have a lot of magnets left. Like the older lashes, before we only have 3 or 2, or at most 4. And if you cut before, when I would cut one that had 4, it would just be too short and look funny. So yeah, this is awesome. These lashes are awesome. And let me show you what my eye looks like now that I took it off. Okay, so this is my eye. As you can tell, most of the liner came off. I mean, I can't really see any. Let's put my eyes and see. Do you see any liner left? I feel like it took it all off. Maybe there'd be some residual spots, but for the most part, it looks like just like my bare naked eye. So yeah. But yeah, overall, loving this product. Like, I didn't think it would work, because I actually had the lash liner one before, and I'll talk about it in another video. And that one, the comparison was so much more expensive. So yeah. Okay, this is my real goodbye. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.